Hey guys, it's Eugene here from Neoskin, and today we're going to be cutting a clutch and revealing the baby's post-shed. This is not just any clutch, it's a Hurricane clutch, really anticipated, my first one ever. And not only that, the mother proved out to be Yellow Belly. So it was Killer Leo, 100% het clown, which is now Yellow Belly, bred to a Hurricane leopard clown, which, added a lot of variety to the Hurricane stuff. So let's go ahead and check it out. Looks like a pastel leopard het clown, Pos Hurricane. Ooh. That looks like a pastel leopard clown. Beautiful. I don't know how it's going to react with Hurricane, but that's really reduced. I would maybe assume Hurricane would maybe busy up the pattern. So looks like a pastel Leo clown, really nice one. Okay, that looks like a pastel. Right. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. That looks like pastel leopard Hurricane. 100% het clown. That thing's sick. Gotta see it out of the egg though to identify the Hurricane. Crazy. That's pretty. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's Hurricane again. Is that pastel Hurricane het clown? Super sick. Oh, that looks really cool. That's a pastel Hurricane leopard clown. Whoa, mama. Oh my God. Insane. We gotta get to this one ASAP. I think it's another visual. Ooh, what is that? Oh, that's pretty. That might be a pastel leopard clown as well, just because of the reducedness. Or it could be pastel Hurricane clown, hard to see in the egg, but really pretty. I don't think it's just a regular pastel clown. All right, we have one egg left, and it's a boob egg. All right, little guy. Let's see what's cracking in there. Another visual clown. That to me looks like maybe like a hurricane pastel clown or something. I don't know. Super sick. Alright guys, so time to reveal the babies after the egg cutting. First, let's start off with the more simple stuff and work our way up. Right here we have this pastel 100% het clown female. And right here we have a pastel leopard 100% het clown. You can see how the leopard influences the pastel. Alright, let's move on up. So here we have a pastel clown. Real high quality, beautiful snake. And her sister right here is a pastel leopard clown. This is a beautiful snake. You can see that reduced pattern, that long black and gray dorsal stripe. Beautiful combo. All right, guys, let's check out some hurricane stuff. All right, guys, so right here we have a pastel leopard hurricane, 100% het clown. Beautiful female. First time ever making hurricane stuff. Here we have a pastel hurricane leopard yellow belly, 100% het for clown. Beautiful female. This is a gorgeous snake. Definitely a potential holdback for somebody you know who wants to build on the super hurricane stuff. I will be releasing some of this stuff, so check out my morph market. Look at that pastel hurricane clown, possible yellow belly. Gorgeous snake. All right, time to show you guys the visual version of this snake. Check this out. This is a pastel hurricane leopard yellow belly clown produced by Neoskin. Look at the crazy blushing. Look at the hurricane just going crazy. This girl right here is definitely with the hurricane stuff. I'm truly blessed to produce a snake like this. Imagine the super form. Just imagine other co-dominants in here. Maybe even Desert Ghost. Add some recessives. Hurricane is such a really cool co-dom if it's worked in the right projects. Favorite snake hatch so far this season.